UK Trade Investment is the government organisation that helps UK-based businesses succeed in the global economy. We also help overseas companies make high-level investments into the UK. Here in the Northwest, we have quite a large team of specialist international trade advisors that cover all the key sectors here in the region. We were invited by the Daresbury team to look at how we could embed UKTI services within this organisation, with a specific aim to help the tenant companies and look at how our services fitted in with the overall aims and aspirations of Daresbury Science and Innovation Campus. So we look on a sector-focused basis, and we look at the three key sectors that are based here at Daresbury, of ICT, digital technologies, advanced engineering, and the biomedical healthcare sectors. So we have, of our team of 36 international trade advisors, specialists in all those key sectors, and we look to put and embed one of our advisors into each of the companies on an as-need basis. So in other words, we have skilled, sector-focused advisors working with the individual companies here at Daresbury. UK Trade Investment as a global service has a unique offering for small businesses. We're part of the Foreign and Commonwealth Office, and therefore we have commercial officers in every single embassy and consulate around the world. What we look to do as international trade advisors is to connect companies into that direct access for market research. So market research and understanding what the market has to offer initially is key to a company's success in looking at new markets and international opportunities. But to support that, we also have core services that we put into businesses, such as our Passport to Export programme, our Export Market Research Scheme, which is run in conjunction with the British Chambers of Commerce, and the new Gateway to Global Growth programme, which is aimed at more experienced exporters. When we get our first engagement with a company, whether through an introduction through the Daresbury network or by other means, the first thing that we have to understand is the resources of the individual company and what expertise it has in looking at international trade in the first place. So we do an in-depth business review with each company that we engage with, so that we understand where they are today and what their aspirations are for the future. In doing that, it quite often throws up individual company needs and how we can then patch our services in to match those needs, so that the company is starting off on a firm strategy for international trade rather than going at it in an ad hoc basis. Over the last 2.5 years of running the workshops here with the Daresbury team, we have increased our activity with businesses from 10% of the tenant companies to over 70% of the tenant companies. This is a huge step forward in engaging with companies and providing quality services that are just going to help each individual business move forward in the global economy.